we know, just like a laser, it hits only the problem, not the whole area. Similarly, surgical strike is for enemy, not for the innocent people. Coming to what is surgical strike? Surgical strike is a planned military attack which is done against militants or the terrorists, which is for the terrorists, not for the common masses or to damage the common innocent people. Do we know? As we have seen, just like a doctor doing a surgery, he only removes the bad part of the body, not removing the good or healthier one. Similarly, what the armed forces does, it only targets the terrorist camps or the training areas, not the damaging influence on the building or infrastructure of that country. Do we know why we use surgical strike? Surgical strike is done because to make punishment to the terrorist and to inform that to not do so, and make them aware कि any country is not quiet, it will not see its harm of the country anymore. And coming to it, the major surgical strike by India, we know like 29 September 2016, many armed forces soldiers were died, mainly there was 18. On that day we planned, over the night we crossed the borders, we done the surgical strike, and killed 7 terrorists, and came back to India safely by not harming any common masses of that POK. Coming to the recently Operation Sindoor, do we know why the Operation Sindoor was conducted? Because of Pahalgaon. In Pahalgaon there were 26 civilians killed in that area by the terrorists. As a result, India fought Operation Sindoor against POK and killed nine terrorists, hit on the 7 terrorist camp with the help of missile like Akash missile, suicide drone, and various artificial intelligence satellites. Do we know, as an individual at the point of war or at the such time, what an individual can do? As an individual we can stay alert, we can support and trust on our armed forces, we can go for national unity, and but not forwarding any fake messages or defake messages. And as a conclusion I would like to say कि India is not quiet, it's only see who is good and not good for its country, and it takes strength, it has its strength, and take a step whenever it's needed. Thank you.